What is a Goodreads book giveaway and how does it actually work? I'll break it down step by step. My name is Sherer and I'm the co-writer of Timeslingers and Death of a Bounty Hunter, two self-published novels. And I recently did a Goodreads book giveaway. If you want my full breakdown, including my analysis of whether or not Goodreads authors should do one, check out my other video. But if you're wondering what they are and how they work, you're in the right place. Now, if you already know what Goodreads is, you can skip ahead a little bit because I'm going to give a little background right now. The timestamps are in the description so you can easily find the info you need. First off, what is Goodreads? Goodreads is a social platform that was launched in 2007. Its basic function is that it allows readers to connect and find new books to read. On Goodreads.com, you can find other readers to add as friends, see what those people are reading and recommending, and even post your own book reviews. Ultimately, as a reader, you can connect with other readers to find, share, and review books. It's kind of like most movie review websites, except that it's more focused on the audience experience as opposed to reviews from critics. At some point, maybe even from day one, I'm not sure, and I couldn't find any information about it, Goodreads allowed many authors and independent publishers to start using the service as well. Authors can now set up an author profile on Goodreads. Those profiles are pretty simple. It's a list of the books that the author has published, reviews of those books, and then authors can import an RSS feed like their personal blog onto their profile. I have a Goodreads profile and an author profile, so if you're on Goodreads, add me, Jay Sherer, as a friend. In 2013, Amazon acquired Goodreads, and that connection between Goodreads and Amazon helped make the Goodreads book giveaways way easier. Amazon already had a way for authors to self-publish their books to Amazon, but doing an ebook giveaway was pretty annoying. There were ways to list a book for free or run a free promotion, but doing a giveaway wasn't really possible without some very annoying workarounds. But now that readers and authors exist on Goodreads, and now that Goodreads is owned by Amazon, Amazon has oversight of the entire ecosystem. The good news is for authors and readers, Goodreads now makes it incredibly easy for Goodreads authors to offer the books they've listed on Amazon as a Goodreads book giveaway. So how does a Goodreads book giveaway actually work? It's really very easy. First, you'll need to sign up for a Goodreads account and then set up an author profile. That whole process is straightforward and simple. Once that's in place, make sure that you connect the books you've published to your author profile. If you get hung up, there should be some great articles online that help with that process. Once that setup is complete, all you have to do is purchase a Goodreads book giveaway package. That's technically easy, but let's break down the choices you have available to you and why they're important. One of the first options you'll need to choose is whether you want to give away Kindle copies of the book or print copies. Obviously, if your book only exists in one of those formats, your choice has been made for you. Now, to my knowledge, this is the only way to give away a Kindle copy of your book without some sort of crazy workaround. And if you choose the Kindle option, you can give away up to 100 copies of your book. The other option is to give away print copies, but just know that if you do, you'll have to handle the fulfillment yourself. Goodreads doesn't handle the fulfillment for you like they do with the Kindle giveaway. Fortunately, with the print giveaway, there is some basic geographic targeting included, although I haven't tested that myself. I've only used the Kindle giveaway. The advantage of the Kindle giveaway is that you can give away 100 copies at no cost to you. I haven't tried the print giveaway, but if you do that, you'll pay to print copies of your book and then ship them to the winners. Doing a Kindle giveaway costs you nothing extra beyond the cost of the service. Because Amazon owns Goodreads, the winners will get a Kindle copy without you needing to do anything at all. It all happens on the back end like magic. It's really simple. Let's say you choose to give away print copies. If you don't already have print copies available, you'll have to ask your publisher to provide you some, or you'll have to order some author copies yourself. My author copies cost a little under $4 per book, and then you have to pay for the shipping and take the time to do the work yourself. Even if you estimate shipping and handling conservatively, let's say you say it's $3 per book you send, that's around $7 to print and distribute each printed copy. If you're running a giveaway for 10 print copies, that's an additional cost to you of up to $70. not to mention the time and effort of going to UPS or the post office. Offering the Kindle giveaway is a piece of cake, but offering the print version will require some extra time and money. Do more people sign up for print giveaways? I don't know. But on our Kindle giveaway, we had almost 1,500 people sign up, which was actually more than I expected. By the way, if you want all the details about my experience, including all the numbers, check out my other video covering Goodreads Book Giveaways, where I attempt to help you answer the question about whether or not you should actually do one. Next, you'll need to note whether you're a publisher or an author. I'm not sure there's much difference, but I've only ever chosen the author option. And that brings you to the next important choice: the standard package or the premium package. There are only 3 differences between the standard package and the premium package as of the recording of this video. 1, the premium package will feature your book giveaway in the different categories where the giveaway is listed, meaning that your book will be far more visible to Goodreads users. 2, the premium package allows you to customize the email sent to people who didn't win. There are some restrictions on what you can and can't say in that email, so it's not whatever you want, but it does allow you to encourage them to purchase the book on Amazon if they didn't win. And 3, the premium package is almost $500 more than the standard package. That's a lot of money for those 2 additional benefits. Now, having said that, I did choose to do the premium package because when we ran our Goodreads book giveaway, it was during Goodreads Book Giveaway month. So it was offered at a discount, and a lot of other authors were listing their books so that our competition for attention was a lot higher than it might have normally been. And for that reason, it seemed like a good idea to pay the extra costs. After you choose your options, everything else is automated, unless you chose the print option and you have to fulfill the print copies on your own. But again, I've never done that. You do have to enter the time frame for when and for how long the giveaway will be offered. We chose from August 3rd to August 31st. But once that was set, Goodreads listed the book, notified the winners and losers, and then distributed the Kindle copies to the winners. We didn't have to do any of that. One thing you should know that I did not know is that when you set the start date, Goodreads requires a short 1 to 3 day period so they can review the book giveaway details before the book is officially listed. So for example, I would have chosen August 1st as our launch date, but I didn't know about the review period, and therefore when I signed up too late to hit the August 1st deadline, I had to move it back to August 3rd. For me, it was not a big deal, but since I didn't see that up front, if you need it to be listed on specific days, maybe set up your giveaway like a week in advance. Before I close out this video, let's take a quick look at costs. As of the writing of this script for this video, the standard package costs $119. That means the book won't be featured in any categories and you won't be able to customize the message sent to those who didn't win. My book, Death of a Bounty Hunter, retails for $9.99 on the Kindle and $14.99 for the paperback version. Both versions tend to give us a profit of $5 or $6 per book sold, meaning to recoup our costs on the standard package, we would have needed to sell 20 copies of the book. Here's the equation you can do yourself if you want to see how many books it'll take to break even. Now, as I mentioned, we chose the premium package, which is currently listed at $5.99. We had a slight discount because of the Goodreads Book Giveaway month promotion, and that is a significant price increase over the cost of the $119. At that price, we would have had to sell at least 100 books to recoup our costs. And remember, if you choose the print books option, you need to handle the fulfillment yourself. Your cost goes up even more. If you want to know your break-even sales point with the print option, here's the equation for that for you. There you go. There's the breakdown of the Goodreads book giveaway options. If you're an author, should you do one? I have a whole video covering that topic right here on YouTube. I'll link to it at the end. If you want my thoughts on the perfect marketing campaign for a Goodreads book giveaway, get a free copy on my website. The link is in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button for me. And if you have any additional questions, leave those in the comments down below. Keep writing, keep grinding, and I'll see you on the next video.